Hello everyone, my name is Valerie and I'm thrilled to welcome you to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the latest update of the hotel booking plugin by MotoPress version 5.0. I'll be showcasing a new feature that allows you to create discount coupons specifically for services and fees. Also, stay tuned for upcoming videos where we'll explore the rest of the exciting news in version 5.0, including an enhanced rates management interface, more organized booking rules, and more. And if you're new here and this is your first time on this channel, an exceptional welcome. Take your time to subscribe if you want to master hotel booking as quickly as possible. And if you're returning, welcome back. So, if you want to provide guests with discount coupon codes for services and fees, which they can apply on the checkout page, let's get into it. Your hotel booking plugin version 5.0 has been available for a while now, but have you updated your plugin and discovered all the fantastic new features it offers? That's exactly what we'll be exploring together. As I've already said, today we'll focus on coupons. Before the update, you could create coupons only for accommodation types. And now you see the interface we used to have before the update. And the first thing I want to remind you before we move on to creating coupon codes for services and fees is that to turn on the use of coupons, you should go to Accommodation, Settings, and under the General tab, scroll to find the MISC section and tick Enable the use of coupons. And don't forget to save changes. Now I suggest going to Bookings, Coupons. You can see here that this is the same coupon created with the previous plugin version I've already shown you. So now we click the Add New button. Next, you'll see a slightly revamped interface with more sections. And first, as usual, we add the coupon's name and then a short description if needed. Next comes a conditions section where you need to choose accommodation types to which you want the discounts to be applied. Any coupons you created, whether for accommodations, services, fees, or for all at once, will only be valid for the selected accommodation types. You can select multiple items by holding Shift and clicking. And if you want the coupons to apply to all accommodation types, simply don't select any specific one. And this time I won't select any specific one. Anyway, this feature offers tremendous flexibility and more discount options. As for the accommodation discount, it's possible to create percentage off and money off coupons. A percentage discount is applied to the accommodation cost for the selected stay period. A fixed discount, in its turn, means a specific set amount of money is deducted from the subtotal cost of the accommodation. For example, if the accommodation price is $200 and there is a fixed discount of $50, you will only pay $150. And this discount amount does not change based on the duration of your stay or any other factors. It remains constant for each stay. A fixed discount on the daily or nightly price means a specific set amount of money is deducted from the cost of each night of the stay. For example, if the nightly rate is $100 and there is a fixed discount of $20 per night, you will pay $80 per night. This discount applies to each night of your stay, reducing the overall cost based on the number of nights booked. In other words, with fixed discounts, you can specify if the monetary value coupons will discount the set amount of money off the total stay price or will be applied to every day of the guest's stay. Another important update is that you'll see the None option next to every type of discount. Simply select the discount types you want to include and leave None for any you don't. And this way you can create coupon codes separately for accommodations, services, and fees. To create a discount on the service or services, again we need to select its type, amount, and choose which services your coupon applies to. It's also possible to select multiple items by holding Shift and clicking. And I won't select any specific service because I want the discount to be applied to all services. To create a discount on fees, one more time I choose its type, percentage or fixed, and select the amount. Now I'm done. As you see, my potential guests are lucky as it will be a multi-discount coupon. Sure, on top of that, you can apply some restrictions. In the user restrictions menu, you can optionally specify check-in and check-out dates when the discount coupon is valid. You can use the minimum days before check-in option to set early bird discounts. For instance, you can set 30 to make the coupon valid for bookings made up to 30 days before the check-in date. Or if you need to create last-minute discounts, you can use the max days before check-in option. For example, set 2 to make the coupon valid for bookings made no earlier than 2 days before the check-in date. What's more, you can set the minimum and maximum stay durations required for the coupon and limit the number of times the coupon can be used. For now, I don't need any restrictions, but anyway, I can edit this coupon when I need it. It's not a problem. And finally, I can publish the coupon. Excellent. Can't wait to use it on the site. So first, I select check-in and check-out dates. And then I click search. After reserving, I proceed to the booking details. Please pay attention that you don't need to re-enter the number of people. And this is a small new feature that will improve your guests' experiences when booking. Before the update, guests needed to re-enter the number of people at the checkout page, even though they selected it in the property search form. And if you're interested in how to enable this feature, stay tuned. I'll show you how to achieve this at the end of the video. After filling in the full guest name field type, I'm ready to choose additional services. Discounts work as usual by entering or pasting a coupon to the respective field and hitting the apply button. For a detailed breakdown of how the discount applies to services, fees, and accommodation, we can expand the price breakdown table and take a closer look at it. Note that if you use taxes, they will be deducted from the booking amount after the discount. Next, I provide my details and book my villa at a discounted price. Perfect. Here in the dashboard, we see a confirmed booking. And by making my way to the coupons menu, we see that this coupon was used one time. And now I suggest creating one more coupon, and this time specifically for one service of the chosen accommodation type. The procedure is the same, but this time I take the opportunity to select the needed accommodation type. So you can offer discounts for certain room types and target specific guests, attracting families, couples, or business travelers. For the accommodation discount section, I choose none. As for the services and for the service discount, I go for the percentage and enter the value. Next, I select the service. Options are infinite, and this is just an example. By offering an exclusive discount on services, you can highlight these additional services associated with particular accommodation types. So I click publish. Then I'm going to test out this coupon too. To test out the second coupon, again I choose check-in and check-out dates. And once I have selected my villa, I push the reserve button, full guest name, and then I'm ready to choose the service, the one that I know I'll get a discount with. Now it's time to enter the code and hit that apply button. Great! Let's unfold the price breakdown to see exactly what charges are included and of course to see our discount. Wonderful, we see our discount, so my guests will pay less for this service. Now let's finalize the reservation as I have something else to show you. From the dashboard, I go to the bookings menu, open the booking, and by scrolling to the additional information section, we can find all the necessary information concerning the coupon code. Suppose you generate CSV reports with the booking data. In that case, the information on the discount types can also be included in hotel booking reports if you select the respective fields for experts. And as I promised you, now I want to show you how to enable guest count saved until checkout feature. So to enable this feature, you should go to Accommodation, Settings. In the Guest Management section, tick the box that says remember the user's selected number of guests until the checkout page. And of course, don't forget to save the changes. Please note that if a guest books multiple properties under a single reservation, this setting will not apply. Users will need to manually select the number of people for each individual accommodation. Just a quick reminder to keep your plugins up to date. Please update your hotel booking plugin to the latest version to not just get the feature of generating new coupon types, but also to enjoy all the latest fixes and minor improvements. It's really important to regularly update plugins to the latest versions. Updates often include security fixes and new features that can improve your site's performance and stability. So don't forget to check for updates and keep everything running smoothly. Whether you're rewarding loyal guests or running promotional sales, discount coupons are a powerful marketing tool, and generating them with hotel booking is as easy as ABC. In this update video, we've highlighted a new enhancement, and now as an admin on your site, you can create coupons specifically for services and fees, allowing guests to book accommodations at discounted rates. On top of that, any coupons you create, whether for accommodations, services, or fees, will only apply to the selected accommodation types. And that's a wrap. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. We'll always enjoy your comments and try to respond to each of them. Don't forget to check out some useful links in the description box. Also, please join us on social media. It's a great way to be up to date with news from MotoPress. We have a community group on Facebook where you can meet new people, share your experience, or get support. So check it out too. Thank you for watching. I wish you guys the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.